Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mayam ay ko London gi sigi Hamleys gi store da la kan ay ngaw lay ha ba khamra sanap mayam je like full toys nga tane ba chi se kya nung chi ne total of how many floor? It is 7th floor, I think. So this is like ground floor. Adu mathaka second, third floor. Like I will take small video for like each floor and let's see what we have around. I'm so excited. Mayam, Hamleys is kind of like mogi 7th floor ni dana ko. Yam na chawe aduna but sidagi like I will select some of the toys that I like it, but actually like there are thousands and thousands of toys that I can't pick everything and show you, but I will show some of my favorite things that I want to have it as mine, okay? Especially this one. This one is hot dog. See, it's like koigi bake daga yan ngai do adune ba ko like this. It's a cute one. See, what is it? Sauces and the bread. Yang nung shiro. See le da. Adagi sina ko sandwich ki type ne ba ko. Sina sandwich ki type ne like green veggies, tomatoes and all this. And this is also same to hang on the bag. Yang nung shigo hana. Yang nung shiyana. Shi se lai de. Adai ko sina burger ki type ne ba ko. See. Ai lo nya lai ni ko ai sa de no khang di. Shi su yang nung shiyo. This one mushroom ne. Chile mushroom ka. How much pound is this?
40.
It's 40 pound. 40 pound. How is it like 4,000? Keep this. Avocado. My favorite, right? And this is China strawberry ka. Strawberry. And this here. And China broccoli. Ada kau flower does like you. Cactus ki flower like this one you can keep at home like kind of a soft toys. See, guys, honestly there are lots and lots of toys that I can't show everything, but yeah, these are some of my favorite. ये पिज़्ज़ा है, ये समोसा जैसा दिख रहा है.
पिज़्ज़ा है, मशरूम और उसको
चीज़ पिज़्ज़ा नहीं, ऐसी समोसा मालूम है इंडियन नहीं ना कोई ऐसी इंडियन नहीं कर. Hello, this is Lasto Pasta. Hey, shit. Oh, Lego.
Hello, would you like to see the
Mayam si je khamra honestly just entertainment oinangai plus angang sing attract taw nangai gi mafam ne ba ko like of course soft toy ni na khamra sida na moi gi royal gi sigi moi gi London gi card ro thamme ba ko adu khoi je photo lo bu su yai ba ko photo se sai lai ba sai na siga silai ai photo ne ba ko se Guys, sige Paddington je. No shida. Sise. Kogi bag ko da yan ngai gel. This is Paddington. Sina Stitch ne. The Mr. Bean gitu. Yamna cute oiba balls na tane ba ko. Nung shidren si balls sa sidam lai de. Sina Paddington. Yung nung siya ba? Kan dito, mayam le. Makan. Maya mo yi na si zan ko na gift ko pi so ka ningo na pi na ngai gi ba ai na box ka loi na yo le ba ka khatang itang e china de shu mingo na gift ko pi ninga di yai da na ko si box su plus gift manu de yaw de ula ke ba ka ai open ta ra ga teddy bear Sana yam nung shida.เราพกตัวนั้นไง attach ไปที่เตาไว้ sana. ว่า sana มีคนตะกี้ฟิลด์นงshida นะก่อนยามพอใจมันนุ่งกระจงวันนี้ฮะshida นั่นที่ไหนสิไหนสิเลยยามพอใจยาม open by itself. She's nung shiyam na. कितना cute है. Do not lean or do not lean. I will just do like. Maya, I get to like the teddy bear set. Like body की teddy bear never gone. Yum chow. I'm going to hear this one. I am shia. 4 legs can be hugged like this. Mayam. She's there. She must have the listening maripi. But yam software gam nung ay paiba. She's kaya pino. She's in a listening mga kasawa. Like 5,500. Like 55 pounds is 5,500, yeah. So, sine. Ado siya yam na software ang mga taga thamba yam nung ay gada ba daw. Ado eh. Si malay de. Tuloy na line da like. Ang mga taga thamba yan nga. Oh, she mati yam nung she. How much is this? Sina 3,000. Yam nung she. Yam software. So soft. Same. Ha, loy na line. ที่จะมาไข่จะตั้งมันอ๋อที่นึกเชื่อมคิวหน่อยเขาสาระโบกิสาระแต่ it's like so cute จริงๆที่จะง่ายมากแต่ก็ just hang ต่อไง I saw like this kind of toys like so many in our hospital. This is pepper pack. Now in India, when I came first time, one of my tutor, like the educator asked, like, do you know pepper pack? I'm like, I don't know, but this is what it is. It's like very famous here in London, here in UK. Oh, that's not. How do you start?
Mais dans un sens,
Mayam, si sina ko ang angi ko gi dress kumba do. Ado pick up tong nangai hai di butterfly feather pa mazu. Siloy na ang angi dress natin. With the wings. Si Snow White ki. Yes, ang angi singi sana ka tham nangai. Teacher actually, it's written as I love my teacher. Hello teacher. Oh, you are so cute. And what is there inside your bag? I don't know what is there inside teacher's bag. I don't know she. This is our baby. Ah, good. Sports. Oh, I like this. This is also cute. Guys, look at this, okay? This is for small kids. They have this full like makeup set. You see this? Like this is for the small babies. And like my makeup set never gone. See from the Nike the chair tame. See na like the different shades. This is for the face. This could be nail paint, something powder on the face, lip gloss, lotion, eye brushes. lotion, says eye brush, adagi that sponge, everything. Angangi pura makeup set niya. Yan, mayam dagi na ay napama section naman. Si angang ne buka. Si angang ne magi small blanket. Cute. Magi pram ne buka. Angang ne. Dummy. Oh, maybe I go fix it here. This is baby dummy. It's so cute. And I can put it here and, you know, with the dummy here. Blanket ni buka. With the blanket. And I will rock this baby. If or I can carry this baby like this. Ah, come here, come here. This is also one baby. See? And this one is smiling, you see? This could be a very good baby. Hey, he's smiling. You are smiling, Baba. This has good teeth. Another one. This one has got nosy. Like the other one, she ngang she na harawe bukwa. Nok na katawdra masaja. Maya ziyawe bukwa. She ngang she na akapangang mali mo na manok ko chuy. Tu manok ko chuy ngang si. The one is si. Sinas haugan ba ngang ni si. Sinas haugan ba ngang ni. She just saying haraw ba ngang ni si ay pa. She you know. Tibong lawangan ni si maya si oro tin katalis. Si halawangan. Halawangan. Si ju halaw. Si na angel baby. Yang nang siya. Si na twins. Siya ni sila ko twins. Kung may amsiyo, sinumba yan. Sana ngay kinibuko. Angang bukoy na ba makalaga? Tamning ado tambaya yo. Nang shine la yuko, jepu. Ang siyam no. Ano? May amsi dyan, artificial snow ni.
Bury your hand in the snow. Do you remember?
Hindi na isa na eh.
Why? Because we live in England, don't we? We don't get snow.
Mayam, ay nalaining ba di ko? Sige, Moana gi setse. Moana family gi setse. Si laining ba di ba ko? Ay ngonda already kara di laire collect tawraga khambra. Ado ay nalai tabdo. Ado lai gi taw ba di ba ko? Mi mayam si am sil. Sige setse. Sige setse. Atopa laibra yenge ay napambada. Lairadi, laige natragadi. Sige setse. Ay napamda ba khara siya ba ko? Ay napamdi only Moana the pamni ba ko? Ado yenga ki. Sila inari ba nga mayam siya? May mayam marakta ay si pame. Si pame. Ado may family hay do ay utpa do. To season. Ay ja, just in the second floor the new ko tilay ja. Pamanda na dum lay. Moana is dama sila. Ay di Moana yung ngawi kayo no kang but also Disney gi princess mayam do siyang pame. All the princess. Ado so slowly ay tam na later ka na collect or tham gi mo ko. Hajikti pulap lay do lay roige. Ay every month salary phang matam da amam lay ro ay na tham gi. Ay yam pame ay di collect or tham ba. This is Moana. Ay na pame. Ay pame si Moana gi. I don't know if you guys can see. Hello, eh? Here I am. Da 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 da. Sinangang massaging ibang. Ano? And toy, pambayaw bra, hello. When I come, I will get for you guys. Ay siya, koy tayo massaging. Ud pagkasap man ay ni siya. Ang pambakalaw ro. Opportunity pangi kanda. She's so cute, eh. Sina pumpkin ni. Loy na ya, ang mo say nga tanis. Ang mo chagi. ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯕꯦꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯕꯦꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ 시즈 영네. Oh, this one is also cute. 시원해, 시원해. 시원해. 아, 더워. It's okay. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯔꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯕꯥꯔꯕꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯎꯠꯂꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯉꯔꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯎꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯥꯔꯕꯤ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯇꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯤꯡꯒ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯊꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯧꯔꯣ if you like you tell me this is like for my nephew okay this one like this वाह ये सही है किसी को गिफ्ट देना और डराना है तो ये दे सकता है ये है this one is you वाह this one also you see it's different than what I see honestly guys I have no time to show each and every toys you know but these are just random pickup toys which I see so I'm just showing you guys but it's really very nice this is Wednesday की Barbie ने बको देखो याम unique ओइद्रा Wednesday खांगी ना Wednesday movie दो अदुगी down तबुदो अदुगी Barbie ने I like it but क्या भी खमरा how much this one cost is 7,000 something which is like not worth buying you know but I really like it from heart it's going dance honestly I love Moana from my heart okay but seeing this after seeing Wednesday this is the second one okay after seeing this my heart melts maybe I will end up buying this okay but it costs around 5,000 something maybe compared to that I think this one looks better plus the price is also like better you know it's exactly this it's this one okay I might buy this. This Barbie since you know coffee wheelchair the kapamba sana. And it's a wheelchair the pamisa. Oh. Section naman ebo ko where like since ase mo mandre one. Koigi kaya sira crab से मणिपुर आई कहाँ बोले sorry waiku starfish sea khazing grasshopper asi kickboxing yam hai bane pi kan yam khana re se ma ko se ting tho ga ne yam khana re Tharoi. Butterfly. Oh my god, see Scorpios, it looks real. Scorpios, yeah. I am an owl. Owl. Flamingo name. Flamingo is famous for his dance, yeah? They say like flamingo dance. India da tawdaba ama khamra khitang unique oiba khara different oiba ama I thingnei bako sidane khamra khoi gi teddy bears ya customize oina tawba yai ba ko haidi nangna apamba teddy bear matungina haidi like if you choose for brown or white any color nang select tawra ga ne khambra moista apam sen pakhom ma lei ba ko adu chala haidi ne ba ko ai teddy bear do yellow hen view ya brown kana any color she will hen get adu tawre dana adu ga ne khambra teddy bear do moista tawra ga sahalani ba ko sahala madung dana sidana stop to hondoi ne ba order na ada tawdoi ne ba ko ada sida nang apamba masu do aduga pora ga sida stop to hondoi ne ba ko sije koi teddy bear manung de yawa lasting gum ba do adu hata ne ba aduga moina sida halani dana halaba madung da na apamba dress select to ba yai teddy bear da set na ngai gi ana si teddy bear ki dress na tane topi si selaning azu si nang teddy bear da selaning dress Oi. Yeah. Yeah. Pikachu is so cute. It's Pikachu. Pikachu. I think this is the only Pikachu that we have. They will throw me out of the shop. Hey. See. Like makal. Aina. Sina mo karam. Ay, sila ini sila. Ano? Mayam, sige, James Bond, yung unique with one. Sana? Sana? Loy na kayo sana tamba. Lagi yun. Pagi horse, kaya kano ito, king, queen. Si Loy le. Yung unique with yun, si James Bond siya. Sain tao. Nong pa siya. Ano? Loy le, the king, queen, horse, kaya kano. Sige, James Bond. Hi.
So the pieces themselves are made out of resin.
Okay.
The outer bit of the board is die-cast metal, and the board itself is made out of plexiglass.
Oh.
And then for the Lord of the Rings one up here, side of the board made out of resin. The pieces are all made out of solid pewter. Then the top is made out of glass, and you can't really see it from the angle we're at, but it's got the Sindarin for the One Ring, so the Elven language for the One Ring in the middle, and then the English around the outside. And it's hollow inside, showing that 3D map of Middle-earth. And if I haven't said already, all pieces are made out of solid pewter, so solid metal.
Thanks.
It's one of our nicest chess sets.
Yeah.
And then of course we have the most expensive piece, the solid bronze Iron Throne.
Oh.
It's literally made of nothing but bronze, handmade. It's a very nice piece, but £2,000.
Thank you for sharing.
No problem.
Another. Chunky. I only made the sound. I see Shrek sa yung palm. I really like Shrek. Pipika niya yung Shrek sa palm. Ado ka siya SpongeBob sa. Siya yung unique oil ka na kumba room da ka thamda yung pasay ha. Maya, ay hazi ko. Now I am in the last floor. This floor is like most of what I see is like full of Lego section. I will show like some of the Legos here. See Lego gine buka. Actually, see box hai. She's a later ga. Do see flowers hai. She same by buka. But anyway, see box you can make this flower. You know this one. But this one comes in different sections. So this flower, see orchid kine. See orchid ki sari nga see box ki se assemble taro matung da ko see oi gani ba. Cheese. I Lego so pame, but it takes time. Sometimes I end up like I started making and then I couldn't finish it all. Ado yam ta wale. Ado ko. Ai na khan ba da to khan. See box hai. See later gadi. I think you can make this.
Even now.
Sis haya do. See box ko maya. From this we can make into this. This red one that you see, this one we can make it actually. It's really nice. I don't know what to say. Other flower, even this one. Mayam, ay mandalay ba sige flower gi si pra bansa. Small piece to join to same in yun eh. Yeah, pagana same in.
Everything.
See. Sige masa small details hai. Join to same in ate buko hai na. Box ida hai na piece la ani thana. Do same in yun. Yeah, phajai na. Yeah, phajai. Wow. Mayam sina ko the topmost like floor of this building. Sina ko hai cha na ngai ke king phang ni like this. It's a place here. You can sit down, have a drink. If you like ice cream, you can buy from here. Whatever. So this is the last floor of this building.
The fish 2 times about 2 times. Come on.
Come down, please.
It is actually too.
It's difficult.
See?
I go buy it.
Come down. Yeah.
I got one.
I can't even get one.
One.
I got one.
I got one. I got 3 already.
She's playing Hawaii and the daily tabis that again with I love this. My name is Tutu. I wish I can have all of this. Really love this. I know set the sign label. I know any combination this time. Lala but I don't know who is Lala, who is this thing. But yeah, overall, I love it. All of them. I like this one. But these are like random picked toys. We can't select what we want, but yeah, randomly it comes like it's on your luck. Mayam, Harry Potter ki si last floor da ne book Harry Potter ki book to phange to item to hai na save to adu phange to I forgot the name of that si Harry Potter ki section si namagi kano do all do Harry Potter ki adu all do yam kalle and I know this one. I forgot the name, but yeah, this was also there in Harry Potter. Sijo, yam kalle shimazo. Sam chain mane hai karo kudung chain do hai na. Kudung chain do. Hagrid is like playing game like this. This is how Saturday looks like in London. also like full crowded.